Hi guys, short video here about this super powerful MacBook Pro charger with a whopping 96 watts charging power. The charging plug is supporting MagSafe 3, and so we have it here nicely protected. Of course, you can also remove this protection here, and then you can see this really nice, beautiful Apple style power brick. Yeah, it's an absolute beauty of a charger, and not only beautiful but also very convenient with this flip plug here. And here you can see the charger details, which tells us that we can use it worldwide from 100 to 240 volts. On one side we have the very well known USB-C standard, so we can also charge any device with USB-C, of course. But with this cable here on the other side we have a plug supporting the MagSafe 3 standard, which is basically supporting all Apple computer built around 2022 to 2025. And not only the plug is a highlight, but also the cable itself is a very high quality braided standard. Get also this Velcro strap. If you don't need that, you can remove it. And the cable is 2 meters long. You can see that here I can spread out my arms as much as I want, and it's even longer than that. The cable is nicely bendable, but not too much, not too easy, not too strong, just about right. Also nice protection here around the plugs here on both of the sides. You can see makes a really nice even curve. And the MagSafe plug has even a built-in LED light, so while it's charging we see the amber light, and when it's fully charged we see the green light. Very easy. And so even though it's called a 20 volts charger, I still want to see the compatibility. And you can see it's not only capable to charge at 20 volts, it can also charge normally at 5 volts, 12 volts, pretty much everything in between. Also supporting normal quick charge 2.0, 3.0, PD up to 96 watts, as we can see here. So testing here is quick charge 3.0, we are at 5 volts, normal standard USB power, so you can charge everything which has a USB-C port, like normal phones with 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, and of course here 20 volts, which is needed, for example, for MacBooks and also other laptops. For example, also this Lenovo laptop. And so I come a little bit closer, you can see it's charging currently at 91, 92 watts. So that's very important to know, is you don't have to fear that it's always charging with 20 volts automatically and then destroying some device which can only handle 5 volt, 9 volts, 12 volts and so on. But of course with the included Apple MagSafe 3 cable also perfectly working for MacBooks and other Apple devices which are supporting the MagSafe 3 standard. Yeah, absolutely awesome, works absolutely perfect, super powerful, beautiful, has a very sturdy build and comes with a lot of safety built in, for example for overcurrent, overheating, so you don't have to be worried. And the inside components seem to be really good quality, because the charger was never getting too hot during the whole charging process. Yeah, I would say pretty cool charger, not only for Apple but also for other devices. Very efficient, powerful. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this charger, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.